Welcome my viewers and subscribers. In today's training, I am going to teach us on how to produce stucco wax. If today is your first time coming across our video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, like, share and ring the bell, so you will be notified each time we upload a new video. First of all, what's stucco wax? Stucco polish wax is a type of protective coating used to enhance the appearance and durability of stucco surfaces. It is typically a blend of waxes, solvents, and additives that provides a protective barrier against the elements, while also improving the appearance of the stucco. Chemical requirements: waxes that provide a protective barrier and gloss. Solvents that help to dissolve and blend the waxes, and additives. Additives that provide additional protection and benefits. Provide UV protection to prevent fading and discoloration. Polyethylene. Stucco polish wax is applied to the stucco surface using a cloth or brush, and then buffed to create a high-gloss finish. It can be used on both new and existing stucco surfaces to protect against water damage and staining. Enhance the appearance and gloss of the stucco. Reduce the risk of mildew and mold growth. Chemicals needed: polyethylene wax, polypropylene wax, polybutene wax, beeswax, carnauba wax, mineral spirit, xylene, toluene, fungicide, mildewcide. Weigh and mix the wax blend. Then heat to about 82 degrees to melt all the waxes. Turn off heat and add all your solvents while mixing until they are totally incorporated. Add all the additives one at a time while mixing. Mix well and allow to cool to about 49 degrees. Package and store. Thanks for watching. To get the measurements, join our YouTube membership program, join Basic Paint Formula. I will drop the formula there.